If you wish to translate your SDS, this video will be helpful. For example, if you wish to translate your basic EU SDS that was prepared in English to German for supply to Germany, you may first click the language here to choose German and translate the output. Our first step here is to check if there is any missing phrases from the output. If there is any missing phrases, we can solve the missing phrase by inserting the translation of the phrase. So when you scroll down here, you can see that we have 2 missing phrases here. And from the phrase code, I can see that it is a self-inserted phrase. Please be informed that if there's any phrase here that is belong to a global phrase, we can't make any editing manually. So we have to get back to our team, and we will upload the translations for you. I have a readily translated phrase, so I will click here to search for the missing phrase in English. I'll click the pencil here, and I will search for German and paste here and click Save. I will repeat the step for another phrase that is missing, which is benzol. So I will copy here. I will come back here and search for benzol. I will click the pencil, and I will paste the German translation and click Save. Now I will click Save to refresh. Again, I repeat the step by clicking Language here. Now when I come back here, I can see that there's no missing phrase in this box. Means all the phrases in the output are ideally translated. So I'll proceed to choose the office. I'll go for EU. And for the OEL, I will choose Germany. Now if you scroll down, you can see that section 8 will carry the German OEL and BEL together. If you wish to proceed to print, you can print the translated version. Let me show you an example of the global phrase that I mentioned just now. So if you come here, as you can see here, this code indicate a global phrase. And if you search for this phrase under the pencil here, you can see a global icon here. And there is no place for us to click Edit. So you have to get back to the team to upload the translation for you.